Hello everyone, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to take you on a home tour. Guys, I've been working on my guest bathroom, my bedroom, and the living room, guys. My home is so pretty right now, so I want to share with you all the decor that have been going on so far. Okay guys, you know fall is around the corner because we almost say goodbye to summer. So that's the best way for me to embrace fall, transitioning from summer to fall, and add some beautiful colors just to make my home look very expensive. And you know guys, I never want to spend too much money, and I decorate my home on a budget, so my home look extremely expensive, more than I pay for. Okay guys, if you're a home decor lover and you want to decorate your home without breaking the bank, I promise you, you come into the right place. Okay guys, I can give you some great ideas on how to maximize your small space. If you have a small apartment like me, or if you have a big place too, you can just learn something from my channel. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, I'm starting with my designer books. I love adding designer books into my decor. If that's something that you don't like, you can always change it, add something else. But me, I love designer books, and they make my coffee table look expensive. And guys, you can never go wrong with some candles. I bought this at Burlington, which smells so nice, and the flowers from TJ Maxx. I get them some times ago, and I use them throughout my home. Each time I go, I see the same color, and I bought them. And for the couch, guys, as you can see, I have a new addition to my home, which is, I like it. It's so pretty. It's compact. And guys, this couch from Homecom, it's a video collab, and they sent out to me this couch, and if you order yours, it's gonna come in 2 boxes. As you can see, my son is helping me with the unboxing, and the each part come in a box, and it's easy to install. And as you can see, the 2 parts, so you don't have to put too many parts together, which is good. And guys, the quality of the material, it's nice. It's a velvet chair. So if you want a light traffic, so far this can be a good option. But for heavy traffic, you can go to the website and order kind, style, and colors. But this one is for my small apartment, small traffic, not too heavy traffic. And guys, in the back of the chair, you will see the legs. My son is 11. He was able to put the chair by himself. In the back of the chair, you will see 2 legs, 2 extra legs. If you want to convert the chair into a sleeper for easy, as you can see, guys, if you have guests coming over, so you can convert the chair to a sleeper, which is nice. The link will be in the description box down below, guys, if you're looking for a sofa sleeper. They have other styles and colors for heavy traffic to choose from. Okay guys, let's go back, finish up the living room, and keep on watching. And guys, to add colors into my home, I do that by adding pillows. And I love light and neutral furniture, so I can change the color anytime that I please. And I love to use 2 blankets. It's optional, but me, when I'm watching TV, I tend to just cover myself to feel more cozy. And guys, I have the 2 blankets at my home, and you can never go home with some beautiful smelling candles. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. Guys, as you can see, I add little hint of orange throughout the home, just to say welcome to fall. Okay guys, I don't add too much colors because I love to keep my home neutral. At the same time, you will see the the season which we are in my home. So I do the same thing for the bathroom, the guest bathroom, and same for my bedroom. And I do exactly the same for all season. So we're going to decorate very soon for Christmas. And guys, as you can see, this work is so beautiful. I get it from Amazon. And don't forget to check the link in the description box if anything inside the home you like.
Underground for so long, in the dark, I forgot how the sunlight feels. Hidden just out of reach, down below, waiting for time to reveal 100 new colors in me.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. C'est la première fois, moi, je suis bienvenue. Non, merci, merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous qui j'aime décorer appartement pour automne. So, sur email, pas oublier la on like, on grand commentaire en bas de la vidéo pour moi. Ça fait mon plaisir. Et si pas la première fois, tout, je dis merci un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi, maintenant.
Put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. Rough around every edge, but unbreakable. Every flaw tells a story.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon ami, merci guys. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, je décore mon petit appartement pour l'automne. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire en français. Ça me fait un très grand plaisir. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime.
1,000 years I'll be enough. Shine, unlike any other. Something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine, one of a kind, a timeless design, catching your eye, shine, unlike
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.